Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as most of you know, I'm happen to be going to Disneyland Paris on Wednesday, so I thought I'd do a little video to get me into the mood of Disneyland Paris. So today's video is actually going to be my very first what's in my bag type video. So I just want to show you guys kind of what I'm taking with me. I'm planning on vlogging the trip, by the way, so if you'd like to see the Disneyland Paris vlogs, please press the subscribe button down below. Before I start, I just want to clarify, none of the stuff in this video is actually going to be Disney themed. I did look for Disney stuff. They're either really expensive or I just didn't really personally like them. So nothing is actually Disney themed, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm taking with me. So if you guys ever go to Disneyland yourself, you'd kind of have an idea of what to take, I hope. So anyway, without further ado, let's begin. First off, I'm going to show you guys of the actual bags I'm taking with me. Now I'm saying bags because I'm taking two bags with me. I'm taking a travel bag and a bum bag. So this is a travel bag I'm taking with me. This was actually about £10. I got it from Wish. And the reason I got it is because it has little sections for SD cards and stuff like that. And it's really good for when you're travelling. And I actually brought it for Summer City this year. It was ended up having to cancel in the end, sadly. But I do still use this all the time, and I'm planning on taking the Disneyland with me. And this will move on to the second bag I'm bringing with me, which is my bum bag. And yes, I know it's completely pink. I love pink, that's obvious already. I'm wearing all pink today, for example, for this video. The reason I'm bringing this with me as well as a travel bag is simply because I want to keep my valuables closer to me, like my phone and stuff like that. It keeps your phone and debit card stuff much safer. Now, first off, before I actually show you guys what's going inside the bags, I want to show you guys my vlogging equipment as well, because technically, even though it's not going inside the bags, they're too big, I still want to show you guys what camera and what equipment I'll be using for my vlogging. So obviously, the first and most important piece of vlogging equipment you need is the camera. The camera I'm taking with me is a Canon EOS M50. It was recently launched this year. I think I actually got this on release day. I actually pre-ordered it and everything. And it's an absolutely amazing little camera. It's basically a mini version of the 80D, which I'm using at the moment. The 80D is really big and bulky, and I have really weak wrists. I have a Gorilla Pod to use and all that, but it's so heavy, it wasn't very pleasant. So I wanted to get something a lot lighter, which this is so much lighter and so good. Even though I don't use it very often for vlogging, I do use it for a lot of my videos anyway, because it's just easier to set up, easier to get into smaller, tighter spaces when I want to do a video on a desk or something. And it's just a really good camera. I have actually got a affiliate link down below if you'd like to buy this camera yourself, but I just want to clarify before you go ahead and buy it or anything else using that link, I will earn a percentage of anything you buy if you use that link to buy it. Even if it's not necessarily the camera, if you press the link to go and buy the camera or something else, I will get a percentage of those earnings. And the next bit of vlogging equipment is obviously the tripod. Now this is my Manfrotto tripod. It's a pretty decent one. It extends to a certain point, but not too high up. It doesn't go much higher than that, unfortunately. Unlike the Gorilla Pod, it doesn't bend around surfaces and stuff like that. But the reason why I got it is because it's so much easier to hold. It's much more comfortable to hold. So I've really struggled to hold the Gorilla Pods, the Joby Gorilla Pods personally. So I got this one, and it fits my camera really well. I just want to let you guys know there is actually a restriction with tripods. Selfie sticks are banned in Disney World, but tripods are allowed. They can only be 20 centimeters or less. And this one, as I just showed you, does actually extend. But I looked it up on Amazon, and the length of it when it's extended is 20 centimeters exactly, which means hopefully they'll let me have this one in the parks. And the last thing is obviously the microphone. Now I'm obviously using a microphone at the moment. It's next to me just here, so I can't actually show it to the camera. Most of you know what road video might go looks like. Now this is a windshield for it in case the weather gets really bad, to protect against the wind, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear me better as well. So vlogging equipment done. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to things that actually go into my bag now. So the first thing I'll show you guys is this purse. I actually bought this really recently as yesterday, and it actually already still has the price on it. That's how new it is. But as you can see, it was £2.99, which is absolutely amazing for such a nice, lovely looking purse. We're looking for a smaller purse for a while now, because the one I've got is so big and bulky. So I'm really glad I found this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a really lovely colour, and it's not pink, which is the most important thing. Something nice and small to probably just fit in my pocket, even in my bum bag possibly. And I put all my euros in it and some of my cards in it. And yeah, I think I found this one just in time. This bit probably could have been included in the vlogging stuff, simply because it's to do with vlogging and cameras and stuff, but I didn't think about that at the time, so we're going to include it now. So I'm going to bring with me 3 SD cards. Now it probably seems a bit extreme, but I'm hoping to vlog a lot as long as my confidence allows me to. But I'm not bringing my laptop with me because I'm only going for 2 days and I'm going to travelling all the way to France and Disneyland Paris and all that. I thought I'm not going to bring a laptop with me, it's just too heavy, so I'm bringing 3 SD cards instead. So I've got an 8GB one which is here, and I've also got a 32GB one which came with my camera. If you've watched my unboxing video, you would have seen the SD card, but I'm going to show it to you guys anyway. You probably know what an SD card looks like, but I'm just showing it to you for purposes of the video. But here we have the 32GB one, and I'm also bringing a, can't even see it, can you? You guys know what it looks like, it's fine. And I'm also bringing the 64GB one as well, but a 64GB one I'm currently using in this current camera I'm filming with, so obviously I can't show that to you, but like I just said, you know what it looks like anyway, so I don't really need to show them to you any more than I've just done. And now we're going to move on to my portable phone charger. Now, I know it's a bit big and bulky. This thing has been my lifeline. I cannot recommend enough you getting a portable phone charger, even just going away somewhere overnight to like a friend's house or something, because these things are so good. Even if it's just a really cheap one. My phone does like 3 times a day because I use it so much. I'm not planning on using it a lot at Disneyland Paris, but my phone's battery's not very good anymore because I use it so much, so I probably still need to use it anyway. I did actually unbox this on my channel. If you're at all interested in seeing it, then I'll put the link up above so you guys can watch it. This is only costing about 30 quid from Amazon. It was really, really good. It's about 20,000 power capacity or something. It's my phone up at least 6 times in like a full charge. It's absolutely amazing. I'm also taking a card holder as well, so it's got like my debit card, credit card in it. It's RFID protected, which basically means that if somebody comes along and tries to like use a contactless machine to take money out of your account, they can't do it because of this protects them. I'm probably being ultra paranoid, but I'd rather be safe than sorry end of the day. Another thing I'm taking with me is my glasses, which is common sense to be fair. You probably have noticed I very rarely actually wear these in videos. That is because my vision is affected by long distance. Close up I can see absolutely fine, and because YouTube mostly involves talking to a camera that's quite close to me, I don't really bother wearing my glasses. And we have a plug as well. Sometimes trains have like a plug where you can plug your charger into to charge up your phone, or like the way there or back, so it's always good to have a plug just in case. I know I've got a portable phone charger as well, but I'll always bring a plug with me just in case. And last but not least, how can we forget the Minnie Mouses? Now these won't actually be going in a bag, they'll be on my head most of the entire journey, but I thought I'd mention them because they are still coming with me on the trip. And to be honest, I don't think I've seen one Disneyland vlog yet where they've not been wearing Minnie Mouses, so I thought I'd, you know, join in the tradition. If anyone wants to know where I got these from, I actually got these from Amazon. Only like £2-3. They're really, really cheap, and I absolutely love them. They fit me really well and they look great on me, and to be honest, I think I might wear these all the time if I could. But anyway, moving on. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed that. For UK resident, I'm currently hosting a giveaway, and I'm giving away 2 copies of John Green's new books, Fault in Our Stars and Turtles All the Way Down. So if you'd like to be entered into that, I'll put the links up above in the cards and also in the description down below. Maybe put it in the end screen, like just here as well, I haven't decided yet, so that you guys can actually watch it, find out the rules of how to enter, and of course enter. This is open for the next 3 weeks at least, unless I decide to extend it, so you've got plenty of time to enter if you're watching this now. Now there will be no videos this week because obviously, as I just said, I'm going to Disneyland Paris on Wednesday, so I need to get ready for that. Next videos will be the week after, and they'll both be Disneyland vlogs, so there'll be no schedule that week. But after the Disneyland vlogs have been uploaded, I'll go back to uploading Tuesday and Friday as normal. So this week, no videos. Next week, Disneyland vlogs. After that, back to normal. But anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys at Disneyland Paris. Bye!